Stew with water is chemical fertilizer. Soaking peppercorns in water is a pesticide. Soaking onions in water is the nutrient solution. Sugar mixed with water is a rooting agent. If you can't remember, you can save it. These distress signals are potted plants. Watch the video to understand. Nitrogen deficiency, ammonia deficiency. No flowers are P deficient. No buds K deficiency. Iron deficient, no fruit due to lack of sunlight. Many gardeners only water and do not fertilize. Running out of nutrients, this phenomenon will occur. Use black water once every half a month. It is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and a variety of trace elements required for plant growth. Can supplement the nutrients needed for the growth of green plants. Mix 1 cup with 1 basin of water. Can be used for all types of plants. At home, Kalanchoe only has leaves, but no flowers. Just watering with tap water is not enough because of insufficient nutrition. My longevity flowers blooming all year round. Just use this longevity flower fertilizer regularly. Add 1 cup to 1 liter of water. Spray, plant, and irrigate the roots once every half month. The flower will bloom soon. It is specially developed for longevity flowers. Not only can it supplement the nutrients needed for growth, increase the number of flower buds,